It is Explosion Day! We are so excited to finally be able to erupt our volcanoes. Now, we didn't have funnels with us, so we made some out of paper and taped it together, and we're going to use that, place it in the volcano's lid that we took off. We're going to carefully pour in the powder. Okay. We'll just tap that up and down and let the powder go into the volcano bottle to get it ready. Now, we used about 5 ounces on these bottles of powder. It really will not take that much, but we wanted to make sure that we got a good explosion this first time. So we went ahead and went all out with 5 ounces of that powder. It's not going to take that much. So 1 box of baking soda should be able to do several explosions. Normally we use 2 boxes of baking soda for about every 12 people. Okay, and we'll put Samuel's powder in his volcano. We've got it full of baking soda. Whoa. Okay, let's put a little bit more in. Okay, so we've got all of your baking soda in your volcano. Whoa! And some on the outside. Alright, now we're going to let them erupt their volcanoes. We're going to do it one at a time so you can see it a little bit better. Alright, Samuel, you ready? Okay? Alright, stand back. Pour it in the hole.
I'll pour it in my hole too.
Alright, now let's see. Back up. Let's see what's going on. Whoa, most of yours went on the outside. Alright, let's pour yours in. Mariah, you pour yours in fast? Yeah, stand up and dump it in fast. There we go.
What happens to mine?
Great job. Alright, now they actually erupted on this side, so I don't think you saw that eruption. It bubbled all the way up to the top, but it looks like 7 ounces of vinegar is not enough if you want it to be really big. So you're going to need a little bit more than that. They also spilt most of the vinegar on the outside of their volcanoes. So what you're going to need is to make sure yours actually goes in the inside. They got about 3 ounces of their vinegar inside their volcanoes, and the foam came all the way up to the top and then dripped on this side of it. So we'll do theirs again in a little while so they can see it foam out. But if you get all 7 ounces inside your bottle, it will erupt over the outsides and you'll see it a little bit better. But I want to see what yours does, so I want you to take pictures and make a video for me and post that in our Google Classroom so that I can see how your volcano erupted and what you did to make it go all out. Okay? You tell everybody bye. Have a great summer.
Bye. Have a great summer. Bye.